ॐ मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविदूननेन परमानन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। In Advaita Siddhi, page number 329. Siddhanti explained that there is only one Chaitanya, which is Sarvavabhasaka, and that itself is Adhishthanam. And Ajnata Vastu, its Siddhi is done through Sakshi. So I had put a question. Anybody remembers the question, what I had asked last time?
Yes, Swamiji.
What is the question?
Question is Ekajiva Vada, there is no Agyata Satta. So how is Sakshi Chaitanya Siddhi done in that case?
Correct. So somebody said maybe Sakshi Siddhi doesn't happen because in Bahujiva Vada, it is not Jnateka Sattvam. Ajnata Satta is also accepted. So Sakshi is Swayam Siddha. For Sakshi Siddhi, you don't need something else. In Bahujiva Vada, because you have to accept that there is something which is Ajnatam, that Ajnata Vastu has to be illumined by something. And that Chaitanya is required. Therefore, not that there is Sakshi Siddhi, you have to accept that this Chaitanya is present when the object is not known, and the same Chaitanya illumines that same object when it becomes known. The knowing and not knowing is because of the presence and absence of Pramata Vritti or Antakarana Vritti. And then there was a sutra at the end, Nabhavopalabdescha Nabhavopalabdhehe iti asmin adhikarane. That sutra was given by whom, against whom?
Against Kshanika Vijnanavada, Siddhanta Pakshi Vedanti.
So those who are present in the class, they should be able to answer the question. Don't just show up there without reading anything. You have to take notes. Otherwise, better spend time on some other session. Siddhanti is arguing against Kshanika Vijnanavad, that there is no abhava. No abhava. Why? Because there is upalabdhi. Upalabdhi means that the Vishayas are known to Sakshi Chaitanya in this way. Okay, let's see further. Nanu दृश्यत्व अन्यथानुपपत्त्या मिथ्यात्वम् इति अर्थापत्तिर्विवक्षिता किं वा सत्यत्वे दृश्यत्वं न स्यात् इति अनुकूल तर्क मात्रम्. पूर्वपक्षी is arguing now. Drishyatva anyathanupapatti is there. So anyathanupapatti means arthapatti pramana. Are you using arthapatti pramana for proving drishyatva anyathanupapatti? Drishyatva anyathanupapatti, and therefore there is mithyatvam. Drishyatva anyathanupapatya mithyatvam means what? What is the meaning of arthapatti pramana? Anybody knows? Okay, this point you will have to remember, and then next time I will ask these questions. Upapadya jnanena upapadaka kalpanam arthapatti. Upapadya jnanena upapadaka kalpanam arthapatti. So in this, what is upapadya and what is upapadaka? So in Drishtanta, we say Pinatva is upapadya. Ratri bhojanam is upapadakam. Pinatva jnanam is there. Pinatva means Devadatta or Chaitra is fat, sthula. Pinatva jnanam, how does Pinatva jnanam take place?
Pratyaksha.
Pratyaksha pramana. Pinatva is known through Pratyaksha. That is Upapadya. Pinatva jnanena ratri bhojanam kalpanam. Because I see he is fat, and diva abhunjanasya, I know he does not eat during the daytime. So diva abhunjanasya devadattasya pinatvam ratri bhojanasya upapadakam or upapadakasya kalpanam. What does this mean? Ratri bhojanam vina pinatva anupapattihi. Ratri bhojanam vina pinatva anupapattihi. If ratri bhojan was not there, fatness would not have been there. Fatness is there. Therefore, ratri bhojanam must have been there. So one thing is clear. What is upapadya and what is upapadaka in Drishtanta? Ratri bhojanam is what?
Upapadakam.
Upapadaka. Ratri bhojanam is upapadaka. Pinatvam is
Upapadya.
Upapadya.
upapadya. Now, two more terms I am going to introduce. One is called akshepya. One other is called akshepakaha. Akshepya and akshepakaha. Akshepaka is pinatva. Pinatva is akshepakaha. Before, so upapadaka and upapadya. Upapadya means karya, for ease. Upapadaka is Karanam. So Karya Jnanena Karana Kalpanam, if you want to make it little simple. But you have to use the word Upapadya and Upapadaka only, not Karya Karana. Only for your understanding I am saying Karya Jnanena Karana Kalpanam. Akshepaka means that which is going to do the Akshepa. And that about which the Akshepa is going to happen is called Akshepya. Pinatva is Akshepakaha. Ratri Bhojanam is Akshepya. Pinatva is Akshepakaha. Ratri Bhojanam is Akshepya. Pinatva is going to do Akshepa, so it is called Akshepakaha. Ratri Bhojanam will be Akshepya. Now, Akshepaka Vina Akshepya Anupapattihi or Akshepya Vina Akshepaka Anupapattihi. You have to answer.
आक्षेप्य विना आक्षेपकः
Akshepaka what? Anupapatti. Akshepya Vina Akshepaka Anupapattihi. How many of you say this is correct? Raise your hand. Okay, you are right. Lower your hands. Other people, those who are not getting it, they better get ready. Okay. So other people, I'm going to ask the question, those who raise the hands. Between Pinatva and Ratri Bhojanam, what is Akshepaka?
Pinatvam is Akshepakah and
Pinatva is Akshepaka. So just answer only what I ask. Pinatva is Akshepaka. What is Upapadaka?
Ratri Bhoj.
Ratri Bhojanam is Upapadaka. So Ratri Bhojana is Upapadaka or Akshepya?
Both.
आक्षेप्य
Ratri Bhojana is Upapadaka or Akshepya?
Both.
Both.
Ratri Bhojana is Upapadaka also and Akshepya also. Okay. So this is Arthapatti Pramana. Upapadaka Vina Upapadya Anupapatya Upapadya Jnanena Upapadaka Kalpanam. Upapadaka Vina Upapadya Anupapatya Upapadya Jnanena Upapadaka Kalpanam. This is called Arthapatti. Now we come to Darshtanta. Up till now it was Ratri Bhojana and Pinatva. Now we come to Drishyatva and Mithyatva. Drishyatva, between Drishyatva and Mithyatva, what will be the Upapadya?
Drishyatva.
Drishyatva will be Upapadya. How many of you agree with that? Why? You have to give reason. Why Drishyatva is Upapadya?
Because it is Karyam.
Karya Swamiji.
Karya of what? Karya of which Karana?
Mithyatva.
Mithyatva is Karana and Drishyatva is Karya. How there is Karya Karana?
Yatra Drishyatva Tatra Tatra Nitya.
Huh?
Yatra Drishyatva Tatra Tatra Nitya.
You have to say clearly. I can barely hear. Drishyatva and Mithyatva what?
Yatra Drishyatva Tatra Tatra Nitya. Drishyatva is
I can hear only two words. Drishyatva, Mithyatva. Mithyatva, Drishyatva, Drishyatva, Mithyatva. All the other words I am not able to hear. No, say it out loud, clearly, each word. Tell.
Yatra Yatra Drishyatva. Drishyatvam Tatra Tatra Nityatvam.
Therefore, Drishyatva is Upapadya. Between Drishyatva and Mithyatva, what is known and what is unknown?
Drishyatva is known.
Teksha.
Drishyatva will become known. So Drishyatva will be like Pinatva. Because Pinatva becomes known. Pinatva is known. Therefore,
Mithyatva is
Drishyatva is
Kalpana
also
is done.
just as Pinatva is known, from Pinatva you do Upapadanam of that which is unknown. Like that, here Drishyatva is known. Mithyatva is not known. So you will do its Upapadanam. Upapadya Jnanena Upapadaka Kalpanam. So Drishyatva Jnanena Mithyatva Kalpanam. This you will have to do. Now you see this Vakya. Drishyatva Anyathanupapatya Mithyatvam iti Arthapattir Vivakshita. This is the Arthapatti. Drishyatva Anyathanupapatya Mithyatvam Anupapannam. Drishyatva Anyathanupapatya means, how will you put it in simple sentence? If Drishyatva was not there, if Mithyatva was not there, Drishyatva would not have been there. In English, you'll have to put this way. If Mithyatva was not there, Drishyatvam would not have been there. Like, if he was not eating at night, he would not have been fat. But he is fat. Therefore, that fatness is seen through Pratyaksha Pramana. Therefore, he must be eating at night. If the world was not Mithya, it would not have been Drishya. Since it is Drishya, therefore it is Mithya. Purvapakshi. This is Purvapaksha. In Hindi, they have given Advaitavadi. Actually, it is not Advaitavadi. It is Dvaitavadi. Purvapakshi is arguing this. So, is this By this Arthapatti you are seeing, means by this sentence Arthapatti you are establishing, or किंवा सत्यत्वे दृश्यत्वम न स्यात् इति अनुकूल तर्क मात्रम, or is it just anukula tarka? What? That if the jagat was satya, it would not have been drishya. If jagat was satya, it would not have been drishya, because it is drishya, therefore it is not satya. It is like saying यदि वन्य न स्यात् तर्हि धूमोपि न स्यात्. Purvapakshi will say, if Vanni was not there, Satyatva means if Mithyatva was not there, Drishyatva would not have been there. Satyatva, instead of Satyatva, you put Mithyatvam na syat. Na syat. Yadi Mithyatvam na syat, tarhi Drishyatvam api na syat. This is called Anukula Tarka. But Drishyatva is there. Yadi Vanni na syat, tarhi Dhuma api na syat. But Dhuma is there. I see Dhuma. Therefore, Vanni should have been there. So, Anukula Tarka Matram would go for Anumana Pramana. Previous Vikalpa is Arthapatti Pramana. Now, Purvapaksha continues. Na Adya. He says this Arthapatti is not going to work. Why? Because there is not enough Samagri for Arthapatti. That Samagri Abhavat. So, what is required Samagri? Tathahi. 4 things are needed for Arthapatti. Akshepasya Upapadakatvam, Praman Aviruddhatvam, Akshepakasya Anupapadyamanatvam, Pramitatvam cha. So you have to read this way. Akshepyasya Upapadakatvam, Akshepyasya Pramana Viruddhatvam, Akshepakasya Anupapadyamanatvam, Akshepakasya Pramitatvam. Iti Arthapatti Samagri. Okay. Now, Akshepyasya Upapadakatvam. What is Akshepya?
Ratri Bhojanam.
Not in Drishtanta now, Darshtanta.
Drishyatva.
Like Mithyat.
Akshepya is mithyatva.
What is Akshepya?
Mithyatva.
And what is Upapadaka?
Upapadaka is again
Mithyatva.
Akshepyasya Upapadakatvam.
आक्षेप्य दृश्यत्वम आक्षेपक मिथ्यात्वम.
Now, people are thoroughly confused.
Akshepya is mithyatva. Akshepaka is
Akshepya is Mithyatva. And Upapadakatvam is
mithyatva.
Same.
Mithyatvam. So, Akshepyasya Upapadakatvam, this is required. This is one condition. Means whatever is Akshepya should become Upapadaka. And Akshepya should be Praman Aviruddha. Akshepya, what is Akshepya?
Mithyat.
Drishyatva.
Mithyatva or Drishyatva?
Mithyatva. Akshepya is mithyatva.
Akshepya is Mithyatva. Is Mithyatva Praman Aviruddha or Praman Viruddha? Other Pramanas, do they prove Mithyatva? No, other Pramana, they don't prove Mithyatva. Purvapakshi is saying. Therefore, Pramana Aviruddhatvam is not there, Samagri. And Akshepaka. What is Akshepaka in Darshtanta?
Drishyatva.
And what is Akshepaka in Drishtanta?
Pinatva.
How many of you agree with this? Raise your hands. So there are other people who have not raised hands for anything. So you know that you are only Sakshi of this discussion. You are neither Upapadaka, nor Upapadya, nor Akshepya, nor Akshepaka. Put your hands down. Now those who have not answered but raised their hands, they have to answer. Akshepakasya anupapadyamanatvam, is it there or not? Akshepaka is in Drishtanta. What is Akshepaka?
Pinatva.
Those who have not answered, they should answer. Akshepaka is Pinatvam. So, Akshepakasya anupapadyamanatvam. Pinatvam would be anupapannam. Anupapadyamanatvam means anupannam. When Ratri bhojanam vina. So in Darshtanta, how will it be?
Drishmitya.
दृश्यत्व अनुपपन्नम मिथ्यात्वम विना.
Drishyatvam anupapannam mithyatvam vina. Mithyatvam vina drishyatvam anupapannam. And pramitatvam. Pramitatvam should be of what?
Akshepakas.
Akshepaka. Akshepaka. What is Akshepaka?
Drishyatva.
Drishyatvam.
Akshepaka is Drishyatvam. Is Drishyatvam pramitam?
Yes.
Now, so this is first set of thinking. Now we are going to change it slightly. Instead of saying Drishyatvam is Akshepaka, instead of saying Drishyatva is Akshepaka, we will say Drishya Sambandha is Akshepaka. Drishya Sambandha, if it was there, so if Mithyatva would not have been there, Drishya Sambandha would not have been there. Drishya Sambandha is there, if you say, then there is Mithyatva. Then Purvapakshi will say, how Drishya Sambandha is there in the first place? Instead of saying Drishyatva as Akshepaka, he puts Drishya Sambandha as Akshepaka. Little sukshma. And therefore he says, it's pramitatvam you will not get. See now, prakritecha akshepyam sambandino mithyatvam na akshepakasya sambandhasya upapadatam. In prakriti, in the current prakarana, darshtanta, Akshepyam is sambandhinoho mithyatvam. Sambandhi means drigdrishya.
Drigdrishya.
Sambandhinoho mithyatvam. Na akshepakasya sambandhasya upapadakam. So akshepyam mithyatvam. Akshepya, which is mithyatva, akshepyam mithyatvam, na akshepakasya sambandhasya upapadakam. It is not, mithyatva does not prove that there has to be sambandha between drik and drishya. On the other hand, it is opposite. He says, pratyuta pratikulameva. How? So, if up to this everything is clear, then we move forward. Up to this, all the points, if they are not clear, you will have to put them very clearly in your mind. What is the akshepya, akshepaka, upapadaka, upapadya, all of them. Drishyatva is akshepaka. Why we said drigdrishya sambandha is akshepaka now? The drigdrishya sambandha also will have drishyatva. So drishyatva is there in drigdrishya sambandha also. And therefore drigdrishya sambandha also should be mithya according to Siddhanti. According to Purvapaksha, sambandha is possible only when two things are satya. Vyavaharik satya. According to them, because there is no paramarthika satya. So vyavaharik satya. If there are two vyavaharik satya, then sambandha is there. Between vyavaharik satya and pratibhasika satya, they don't have any sambandha. Vedanti, we have adhyasika sambandha. So Purvapakshi says, this drigdrishya sambandha will not be established if something has mithyatva. Akshepya is mithyatvam is not akshepakasya sambandhasya upapadakam. Pratyuta pratikula. Siddhanti will say, see the next sentence. Adhyastatva rupa sambandhasya na pratikulatvam kintu anukulatvam eva. If you take adhyastatva rupa sambandha between drik and drishya, sambandha is adhyasta. Adhyastatva rupa sambandhasya na pratikulatvam kintu anukulatvam. Purvapakshi will say, nacha. No. Why? Adhyasta sambandha is not siddha yet, Purvapaksha says. Tasya adya api asiddhehe anakshepakatva. Because it is asiddha, it cannot do akshepaka. It cannot become akshepaka. Adhyasika sambandha is not proved yet. And therefore, it cannot be akshepaka. Akshepaka of what? Upapadya or upapadaka?
Upapadya.
Akshepaka of upapadaka. If you say akshepya, see, akshepaka is of akshepya. Means akshepaka is of upapadaka. Second is that akshepaka, it should be pramita. So adhyasa sambandha is not siddha. Pratyakshadi viruddham cha idam akshepyam. Akshepya is what? Mithyatva. Mithyatva is pratyakshadi viruddham. According to Purvapakshi, because pratyaksha, it proves that there is an object. He says object is there means if it is known through indriyas, it is satyam. You are saying it is mithya, pratyakshadi viruddham, chaidam akshepyam. Napi ekasya drishyattvasya upapattaye pramita anekasya tyago yukta. And Purvapakshi says to Siddhanti, what you are trying to do is ekasya drishyattvasya upapattaye. For one drishyatva that you want, drishyatva here means drigdrishya sambandha. To establish this one drigdrishya sambandha, you are ready to throw the whole world as mithya. All pratyaksha pramana, you want to say tad viruddham. That is not yukta. Napi ekasya drishyattvasya upapattaye pramita anekasya. Aneka vichara pramita, so many objects, etc. Their tyaga is not yukta. Then akshepakam cha na drig adhyastatvam. And akshepaka vastu, akshepaka is what?
Drishya.
Drishyatva. Drishyatva you say or drigdrishya sambandha. That is akshepaka. Akshepakam cha na drig adhyastatvam. So, it is not proved yet that it is adhyastha. This drishya is adhyastha or drishyatvam is adhyastha in drashta. It is not proved yet. So, two things were required in akshepya. Two things were required in akshepaka. What were the two things required in akshepya? See the text and tell me.
No. Akshepyasya upapadakatvam, akshepyasya pramana aviruddhatvam.
Correct. Akshepya was supposed to be upapadaka and pramana aviruddha. Of these two, upapadakatvam we didn't get in drigdrishya mithyatva. Akshepya se upapadakatvam. Akshepya should have been upapadaka of mithyatva, but it is not able to prove. Drigdrishya mithyatva, in that upapadakatvam is not coming. According to Purvapakshi. And pramana aviruddhatvam, that also is not there. So he explains, Purvapakshi. Napi tasyaiva phalata akshepyatvat. Tasyaiva means drig adhyastatvam. That drik adhyastatvam is phalatah akshepya. Phalatah means it is not there. It is to be concluded. At the end it will come. But how will it come if you don't have sambandha between drashta and drishya? नापि दृग् विषयत्व रूपो दृक् संबंधः तव असिद्धेः. And drik vishayatva rupa drik sambandha. What is sambandha with drashta? Becoming vishaya of drashta. Becoming vishaya of drashta is called having sambandha with drashta. That becoming vishaya will become drishya. So drik vishayatva rupa drik sambandha. He says it is not there. Because sambandha, according to him, is between two things of the same satta. And according to Purva Paksha, he says, for you Siddhanti, this will not work. Because you don't accept any real sambandha with drashta. So he feels that there is only real sambandha possible. And that is, we don't have any real sambandha with drashta, because everything other than drashta is mithya. Siddho na drak adhina siddhikatvam drak vishayatva atiriktasya tasya asiddhe. Drak adhina siddhikatvam, that the drak drishya sambandha or drak sambandha will depend upon drashta. He says no, because drak vishayatva atiriktasya, drak vishaya, that which is drak vishayatva, different from drak adhina siddhikatva. Drak vishayatva atiriktasya tasya asiddhe. Drik means jnanam. Drishya means jnaya. So, drik adhina siddhi. When he says drik adhina siddhikatvam, drik adhina means jnana. Jnanadhina siddhikatvam. So, jnanadhina jnaya siddhi, manadhina meya siddhi, how we say? Jnanadhina jnaya siddhi. So, jnana adhina siddhikatvam. And therefore, the drishyagata mithyatva, its akshepaka will be, mithyatva's akshepaka will be what? Drik drishya sambandha. Drik drishya sambandha will be mithyattvasya akshepaka. So, that akshepaka of drik drishya sambandha, akshepaka will be drik drishya sambandha of mithyatva. That will have jnanadhina siddhikatva. So, the sambandha will be jnanadhina siddhikatva. Purva Pakshi says, no, it will not work for you. Why? Drik vishayatva atirikta sambandha we don't accept. So when you are in Vivada, what is accepted by both, only that you can use for discussion. For Drashtant also, something that you have to use which is accepted by both. So Purvapakshi says, Drik Vishayatva Atirikta Jnana Dina Siddhikatvam we don't have. So we will not accept such thing. And therefore, that Jnana-dhina siddhikatva sambandha will not be akshepaka. It will not become akshepaka. So first vikalpa is over. Na antyaha. Na antya means second vikalpa. Second vikalpa is that there is anukula tarka. Second vikalpa, Purvapakshi said, satyatve drishyatvam na syat iti anukula tarka matram. Purvapakshi says, na antyaha satve api uktaritya sambandhantarenaiva drishyattvasya upapannataya anupapattereva abhavat iti chet. Even if drishya is satya, sambandhantarena drigdrishya sambandha is possible. Sambandhantara like sayunga sambandha, samvaya sambandha, etc. So drishyatva is possible between drashta and drishya. Sambandha is also possible, and therefore anupapatti. You said that if drishyatva, if mithyatva would not have been there, drishyatva would not be there, but drishyatva is there. There is no such thing. Anukula tarka is not missing here. Purvapakshi said anukula tarka is not, this is not anukula tarka matra. So Siddhanti says no. Siddhanti is going to come back. So here he said anupapatte he abhavat. Anupapatte abhavat means upapatti is there. Upapatti is there between what and what? Drigdrishya sambandha and mithyatva. So even if it is satya, not mithya, drigdrishya sambandha is possible. Iti chet. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Padarayanam Sutra Bhashyakatau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.